I'm Megan with WTI, and if you grew up in the 90s with a Game Boy like I did, then you are going to get super nostalgic when you try this handheld game console. It comes with 500 different built-in games, including Mario and Angry Birds. Those two games alone made it totally worth the purchase for me. My son absolutely loves Mario for obvious reasons, and so he loves playing these games. And they are very true to the original game because all the memories were flooding back to me with the secret tunnels and everything as I started to play them. It comes with a retro remote, which is really cool, just like the old-fashioned classic Nintendos used to be. You can plug the remote directly into the game console if you prefer to use it, or you can use it by connecting this to the TV and playing two-player. This comes with everything you need. It comes with a battery. It comes with all the wires you need to be able to hook it up to your TV. And so you're good to go as soon as you get it. So if you want your kids to experience gaming like you did growing up, or if you just feel like being a little nostalgic, I definitely recommend this game console. And that's my point of view.